great honor and privilege to stand before you today on this momentous occasion as we gather to welcome the University of Cyberjaya's third Chancellor, Sri Dato Seri Dr. Noor Hisham Abdullah. Sri Dato Seri Dr. Noor Hisham Abdullah was the Director General of Health Malaysia for a decade and retired in April of this year. Throughout his tenure as DG for Health, he has demonstrated a remarkable ability to navigate complex health challenges with resilience and innovation. He will also be remembered as a hero during the COVID-19 pandemic.
We are very grateful and we're very thankful to you, Sri, for coming over here and being Chancellor. And I'm sure that in my many conversations with Sri is not going to be a rubber stamp Chancellor, but I think Sri looks forward to making a contribution. And as the Vice Chancellor rightfully said, it's taking it into a new era.
First and foremost, with great humility and gratitude, I stand before you deeply humbled and honored to be here this morning in the meet and greet ceremony. The honor is mine, and I humbly accept the invitation and the position of the Chancellor of the University of Cyberjaya. And I want to take this opportunity to express my most profound appreciation and gratitude to all educators who continue to train the health system workforce locally and globally. So when I was approached to come on board as a Chancellor of the University of Cyberjaya, so I have discussed this issue and thought about it and how we can contribute in terms of medical education in this country and also the region. And during the pandemic COVID-19, I think for the first time the public appreciated the frontliners, the medical workforce in the country. But I hope that they still remember, because Malaysians, they forget very easily. But having said that, I think during the pandemic, that shows that health is wealth. How we come together as one, working in partnership. And this is how we drive the workforce, from the doctors, from the nurses, and everyone in the workforce. We managed to make a big difference in healthcare. So looking into this, I think University of Cyberjaya have the potential to continue the medical education in this country. But looking beyond this, not only we should focus locally, but we also should focus on our member states from Western Pacific region. That means extend and accept students from our Western Pacific region. So regional hub for medical education. I think this is important, this is doable, and how we can contribute in terms of medical education in this country and also the region. So I think there's a potential for us to continue to enhance our healthcare services and train the workforce, and hopefully we can be the hub in this country. And furthermore, we also can drive in terms of short courses in this university, meaning upgrading, upskilling and training the nurses, for example, credentialing some of the areas in specialty, so we can develop this as a hub for training for the workforce in this country. So let us come together as one, make the impossible possible in time to come. So I'm very excited to be here, and hopefully this journey together we can make a big difference in healthcare in the country. Sekian wabillahi taufiq hidayah. Assalamualaikum.